First of all, we have to install the app. So we're gonna go to the App Store and then you're gonna download the first option. This app is called Pixel Pulse. Now that we have the app on the phone, we're gonna launch it and you'll see all these options. You see all these different pets. You can pick whatever you like. So now we're gonna tap on the island and you're gonna see all this information. You're gonna see these hearts and you can also feed your pet and play with it. Here you have the age. Mine is 23 minutes old and this is its weight. Let's tap on feed and you can have all these types of food. Then I'm gonna tap on that one and then it's gonna get the chicken leg or whatever the thing is. And also if we tap again, we can even play with it. So you have a ball and then it's gonna try to get the ball, and we're gonna tap on play it again, and then we're gonna tap on this option, and as you can see, it's gonna follow this little star. These hearts on top represent your relationship with your pet. So I have only half of it, and the stronger your relationship gets with your pet, the more hearts you're gonna get. So that's another option. We're gonna tap here and then we're gonna activate this option. You can make your pet run, sleep, or chill. I'm gonna make my pet sleep and then it's gonna be sleeping, right? And if we switch it again, I'm gonna make it run and then my pet is gonna be running. You can even add another pet, but I guess you're gonna have to get the paid version of it. And these are the prices: $2 a month, $13 for a year, or $32, just one purchase, and then you're gonna keep the pet. Here's something funny. If you wanna feed again your pet, you get this message: you already fed Rupert recently, so Rupert's still full. Please wait a little while before feeding it again.